This is Mike snoring, and I'm down on the first level. I can hear him all the way down here. There's our steps. Wait a minute, let me turn on a light. Fuck. No wonder why I can't sleep at night. Listen.